Hey guys, it's Bill from Leapers with another exciting product to show you. Today we're going to be talking about our UTG OP3 Micro Reflex Dot Sight. Let's get to it. We have two versions of this OP3 Micro, which both utilize the common RMR footprint. Our standard OP3 Micro will come with a bottom loading battery as well as a manual brightness adjustment. All right, let's open the box and see what's inside. Manual, fresh battery, hardware, cleaning cloth. Here's your Torx, screwdriver, and the unit itself with the cover. All of our OP3 Micro Reflex Dot Sights are constructed in a 6061 T6 aluminum. They're also finished in a Type 2 matte black anodizing and feature a fully multi-coated glass lens, IPX7 waterproof rating, 1 MOA per click adjustments at 100 yards, a backup tertiary laser engraved aiming point, and come with a removable low-profile 1913 Picatinny base. Standard models feature a battery life of 55,000 hours at middle brightness off a single CR2032 battery. The CTS models, which can easily select between running manual or automatic brightness modes, feature a battery life of 15,000 hours at middle brightness and off of a single CR1632 battery. When installing the standard model, you first want to remove the pre-installed Picatinny mount. That way we can add the CR2032 batteries that come with it. Use the included T10 torque wrench to remove the two screws securing the reflex sight to the base. After removal, you'll find a rubberized sealing plate in between the sight and the mount. Set this aside as it will be used later on in the installation. Install the battery with the plus sign facing upward. If you have a side loading model, simply pull the battery tray out with your fingers or a flathead and install the included battery with the plus sign facing upward. Before starting any installation, you're going to obviously want to make sure that the firearm is unloaded. Take the mag out, check the chamber. We prefer to use chamber flags while we're doing any sort of install. You can actually find these on leapers.com. Check the product description underneath. We'll be mounting our dot sight to a Glock 34 MOS. Before placing your reflex sight onto the slide, be sure to check which mounting screws are compatible. If neither of the provided 440 or 632 screws are a proper fit, you may need to use the screws included with your slide or contact the manufacturer to see which screws are required. Do not force any screws to fit as damage may occur and may result in injury. Seat the reflex sight and the rubberized sealing plate from before onto the slide, ensuring both are fully seated evenly. Once seated, install the correct screws to complete the installation. Recommended torque value is 15 inch-pounds when installing onto the pistol slide. If using the included Picatinny mount, the recommended torque value for the reflex sight to the base is 12 inch-pounds and 35 inch-pounds for the Picatinny side plate. After adding the optic onto the mount, we're going to place it onto our PC carbine. We're going to snug it up with the Torx. And then we're going to make sure we use 35 inch-pounds. Once mounted, check the power button for functionality. And that's all it takes. You successfully installed your OP3 Micro onto your firearm. For the multitude of different applications and user needs that are out there, we manufacture a variety of different mounting solutions applicable to rifles, shotguns, and pistols. With thousands of rounds downrange and live fire testing, Leapers UTG OP3 Micro Reflex Dot Sights are proven tough, versatile, and reliable. we have the confidence that our micro reflex dot sights have what it takes to cross off all the check boxes. If you like this video, please click like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to us. It'll keep you updated with Leaper's most recent products. And please join our socials down in the description below. There will be links. Again, I'm Bill, and thanks for watching.